I'm Mark Matsumoto and welcome to my Tokyo kitchen. Today I want to show you what might just be the ultimate Japanese comfort food. It's made with just butter, soy sauce, and rice, but it has this magical ability to hit all of those happy buttons up in your brain, like all at once. So let's jump into it. The first thing you're going to need is some hot Japanese short grain rice. I have a video showing you how to cook rice on the stove, which I'll link to in the video description, but today I've used my trusty rice cooker. The key here is to use piping hot rice, so if it's not freshly cooked, make sure you heat it up in the microwave oven first. Then I'm gonna add a generous pat of butter. This is about 1.5 tablespoons. Now, we just want to let this soften and melt for about a minute. By the way, if you're anything like me and you like optimizing for maximum deliciousness with minimal effort, check out marksrecipes.com where I show you easy dishes like these mentaiko butter potatoes, this crispy cheese breakfast sandwich, or this one-pan cinnamon apple toast. There's nearly 250 recipes over there with a new one added every week, so go check it out. I like using cultured butter for butter rice because the fermentation increases the amount of diacetyl, which is what makes it taste so buttery. Alright, our butter softened up, so I'm gonna drizzle on a generous amount of soy sauce. Don't be shy here. Now we just have to mix this together. Do you hear those squishy noises? That's what we want. If the grains of rice aren't slick enough and they're sticking together, you haven't added enough butter. And that's all you need to make Japanese shoyu butter rice. Today I'm gonna tear up some nori on top, but it's fun to mix and match whatever toppings you have on hand that'll add texture and flavor to the butter rice. Some of my favorite toppings include nori, katsuobushi, scallions, toasted sesame seeds, and mentaiko. This smells incredible, so let's try it out. Itadakimasu. That rice and the soy sauce is so shiny. Oh, look at that. It's creamy and savory with a little bit of sweetness from the rice. That soy sauce adds a ton of umami. And because we've used cultured butter, it's super buttery. You saw how quickly this came together, and you can top it with just about anything you want, so I hope you'll give this a try. Well, I'm off to conquer my day, but check out this playlist for more quick and easy meal hacks. And I'll catch you in the next one.